Yo! Posible bang maging mayaman ang gagong katulad ko?
Hi, my name is Jomar Marquez, and this is day 2 trying to be the best version of myself. Kaninang hapon, there's a few people who followed me. Pero wala man naman nag-message na gusto makipagkaibigan. Ang ginawa ko lang naman ngayon ay nanood ng advices, nag-hard work, and naghanap ng kaibigan. Ako na po naghanap ng kaibigan kasi wala naman nag-chat sa akin na willing makipagkaibigan and gusto mag-build ng community. Guys, bakit ko nga ba kailangan ng kaibigan? Guys, this is 2025. I gotta work smart. And them also. And plus, I'm a beginner. Kailangan ko ng people's advice and opinions.
Like I said, teamwork makes the dream works. I can assure naman na I can help them also.
Ito po yung rules ko sa challenge na trying to be the best version of myself. Bale, 1 taon po yun. Sa 1 taon, may 365 days po tayo. And pag mag-fail ako ng 1 araw, equivalent to 1 day. And for example, nag-fail ako ng 20 days. Therefore, 20 days po yun. And guys, lahat ng 20 days na yun, gagawin ko by the end of 2025. Yun lamang po. Again, this is Jomar Marquez trying to be the best version of himself. Good night. See you the next day.